Key structures. Exercise 1. Ask us to complete the following sentences in any way you wish. Pay attention any way you wish. You are not going to be obliged to use the sentence I have given you. You can complete the sentences as you like. For example, what I think happened to Mr. Jones is awful. What he believes is wrong. What you must try to do is not difficult. Once again, I tell you that you can complete the sentences in any way you wish. As for the second exercise, which says, supply the missing words in these sentences. Do not refer to the passage until you have finished the exercise. Actually, in this exercise, we are going to use these prepositions. The missing words are these prepositions. Pay attention, we are going to use four times. We are going to use in, from, at, for, and to. So let's move to do the first one. The first one is, this is compensated for by an outer impressiveness. Compensated for. Number 2. Such impressiveness usually takes the form of a truly grandiose realism. Form of. Number 3. They are empty of humanity, credibility, and motivation. Empty of. Number 4. It merely helps to prevent them from being incredible. From being incredible. The last one, in addition to the impressiveness of the settings, there is a use of the camera which at times seems magical. I will repeat them. Number 1, we use for. Number 2, we use of. Number 3, we use of. Number 4, we use from. Number 5, we use in, to, of, at. The third exercise of the key structures actually asks us to write sentences using the following expressions. We're going to use taste like, feel like, smell like, seem like. I will give you only one example and you can write any sentence you like. For example, we can say, this flower, or this smells like jasmine, for example. You are going to write sentences using taste like, feel like, seem like, smell like, and so on. The fourth exercise, supply the definite article and indefinite articles where necessary in the following. We're going to supply or to use a, an, or the where necessary in these blanks. To start with, needless to say, the disgraceful censorship code is an important factor in predetermining the content of the pictures, but the code does not disturb the profits nor the entertainment value of the films. It merely helps to prevent them from being credible. It isn't too heavy a burden for the industry to bear. In addition to the impressiveness of the setting, there is a use of the camera which at times seem magical. In this exercise, we use the, an, the, a, the, and the. Exercise number 5 also asks us to write sentences using the same pattern of the example with the following words. So let's read the example. The example says, it isn't too heavy a burden for the industry to bear. We're going to use the construction to, for. To, for. We are going to use these words, difficult, hot, and easy. Let's start with difficult. We can say, it isn't too difficult for them to do the problem. It isn't too difficult for them to do the problem. Hot. It's too hot outside to go for shopping. It's too hot outside to go for shopping. Easy. It's too easy job for them to do. It's too easy job for them to do. Once again, I'm going to tell you that you can give or you can write any sentence you wish you like. I'm not obliged you to depend on my sentences.